Tired of project management chaos? Let's tame it by ensuring your Basecamp is running smoothly with the latest updates. First, locate your profile icon or avatar. This is usually in the top right corner of your Basecamp screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for Help and Support. Click on Help and Support to access Basecamp's resources. This opens a new window. Once in the Help and Support Center, find the search bar at the top of the page and type Update Basecamp. From the search results, select the article titled How to Update Basecamp or something similar. Read the instructions carefully. Basecamp typically updates automatically in the background. The article will confirm this and advise you to refresh your browser if you aren't seeing new features or bug fixes. To ensure you're using the latest version, simply refresh your browser. This will reload Basecamp with any recent updates that have been installed. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll keep Basecamp up to date, ensuring access to the newest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements, leading to a more streamlined and efficient project management experience.